All right, this morning we have rented this monster. That's a 16-inch beam saw, and we are going to use that to cut our decorative front truss members and saw these front posts off. This is a much more accurate number, so we didn't want to chainsaw these. So we're going to have to screw a board up sideways to help support this saw because it weighs like 30 pounds. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're up here with the front porch posts. This top line you see, that is level with the top of our truss carrier. These posts need to be 4 7/8 shorter than that, so that's this line. And then our offset for our saw is 5.5 more inches. So we're going to screw a 2x4 here to help me support that saw nice and level. And we'll skill saw these right off. Got 4 posts to do. Alright, got some progress here. Got both of these, those are rafter carriers, I guess you would say. Got those up there. Those up down there. Had to put those up with hangers because they are structural. And this notch right up there is going to carry our decorative front truss. That's where we'll put our plates that we made at the shop yesterday. And this kind of kicked our butt today. Took a lot longer than I thought it was because something is about a 1/2 inch out, but I'm not sure what it is. But we're gonna push that problem down the road. So we'll handle that with soffits later. Looks good for now. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jack. We are going to be cutting our members for the front truss this morning. So I've got the beam saw rented for the rest of the weekend, so got to get these knocked out while we can. What we're going to do is take a look at all these boards, and some of these do have a bow. Like you can see that one down there at the end is hooking down pretty bad. We'll try to make cuts that get the straightest portions out of these. So brought the laptop out here so you can see I can pull numbers, and I even made some paper plots and cut those out to give me the shape of some of these. So I'm going to try to do this without making any mistakes. see there kind of how my pattern works. Once we get that lined up, cut that line, add a pattern for the other end. I'm learning on this saw. Getting started straight is incredibly important, and you can see right there I had to make a little adjustment, but that's going to get covered up by a joinery plate, so I'm not too worried about it. But I did get a little off there, about a 16th. No big deal. All right, that's the first two primary rafters cut. See that long cut there up to here. That worked out. Over to that long cut there, and I measured from that tip all the way over to that tip. It's supposed to be 33 foot and 9/16, and just on a rough layout there, I was 33 foot and a half, so a 16th out over 33 feet. That worked out way better than anything I did yesterday. Good deal. Go. All the cutting is done. No mistakes. No major mistakes anyway. That is a massive truss. Looks good though. See our plates laid out. Just getting everything dry fit. And once we're satisfied with how everything fits, I will take this all back apart, get all this stained, all my plates painted, and we will assemble this over there by the house, pick it up with the tractor, and set it in position. All right, been a good day today. I got a good start this morning, and Dad was able to come by and help me this afternoon. We got all the truss members stained, sealed. So you see there, I've got some letters and some arrows here, and that's just my little code to help me get this back together once we get it all taken down. But color turned out really nice, and we sealed those with this stuff right here. It's a Seal Once Nano Poly. Never used this before, but it's like a deck sealer. It's supposed to last a little longer than like a Thompson's weather seal would, but it is pricier. It's about 65 bucks a gallon. But on something that's upright like this, not flat like a deck, it's supposed to be good for like 6 to 10 years. So that's what we're looking for. This is not treated lumber, because I didn't want it to be green. So we need to get some protectant of some sort on there. It's been a good day.